crew, this is the captain speaking. This is a fire drill. I repeat, this is a fire drill. And no actual danger. Captain out.
All crew at master designated station. This is a fire drill. I repeat, this is a fire drill. All are accounted for, Captain. All crew, proceed with your duties now.
Simulating distress call to RCC. Position transmitted awaiting further instruction.
Squad ready, suits on. SCBA check. Waiting permission to enter, sir.
Proceed with caution. You are clear to enter the fire scene.
Fire out.
Post a fire. Job well done. Good work, everyone. Let's debrief while events are fresh.
Captain, the fight squad reached this KDA Yongtan, done fully, and had water on the fight. No SCBA issues.
Okay. If we can stop the fire with hoses, we can use carbon dioxide. First, make sure everyone is out. Then close all fans, vents, and doors to seal the engine room. Use the gate to open the carbon dioxide panel and pull the handle. A siren will sound for 60 seconds. After that, carbon dioxide will fill the room to stop the fire. Keep the room closed for 30 minutes. After that, air it out and only go in with SCBA. Remember, carbon dioxide can kill. Never enter without breathing gear.